Hey guys, welcome to this video, and this video will be surely a very interesting one because today we are going to build a program that will evaluate the distance, and if I wish, then I can also calculate that how much time I will take from traveling from place A to B if I am traveling by a car or if I am traveling by my foots only. Okay, all right. And if I am traveling by the airline, so it will tell that how much time I would take, an average time. So let me first of all tell you the basic working rule of my program. Okay, so from Gmaps, what it will do is that it will go to Gmaps, and you know that like in Gmaps, when we go from place A to place B, so in that case, it gives a specific distance. If we will go in the direction tab, so that distance will be now through .txt. I will extract it, right? So then this will give me the distance from place that is from place A to B, and then the thing that I will do is that now I will divide it by time, and I will give the conditions, like if time is greater than this much, then this should be greater than this much, and like this, if right. So so I think that we should start with it. I think all the things I've told. Okay, now let us just start with our code. Let us start with our code. So let us open Visual Studio. So let's open Visual Studio. Okay. So the thing is that we need to do some basic imports, right? Okay. So these imports are very much important because to identify the coding pattern, the code always identify from here only. Okay, so I will provide this code in the description box if you wish to copy. Okay, but however, I will tell you to always do it by yourself. Okay, no problem. So now, so first of all, let us open the website link. Okay, so let me open Microsoft Edge. Right. So google.com. Okay, maps. So maps. Okay, now let me go to Google Maps and see. And in this case, I need to give some specific coordinate of the location also. So as you know that as we will change the map, then it will provide some coordinate. If you will see at the upper front, right, that is the longitude and latitude. So it's very important to maintain it so that we get a best view of the map. Okay, now like say which place we should took from here. We can, okay, let us take for it from here, like from Trenton to Pittsburgh, right? Trenton. So let us copy this one. Okay, Trenton. So like from Trenton, right? Trenton. Okay, so is that all working fine? Yeah, it's working fine now. So driver dot get okay, now first of all, let us define the driver. Driver is equal to web driver dot chrome. Okay, yeah. Now driver dot get this link, right? So let us run the code. All right, so it has been opened successfully. Now we need to select this text box from here, and now we will select the text box, copy full XPath, right? Now driver dot find element y dot xpath, y dot xpath, right? Dot send keys, dot send keys, and that was trend on. Okay, yeah. Now keys dot return, right? Yeah. Now, so our first step is done, that it will type trend on. So let us copy this text here, trend on, and then let us paste it here. Let us paste it here, trend on. Okay, trend on like this. Okay, now let us click on this direction tab. So the direction button is clearly mentioned, as we can see here. So button, yeah, this one. Keyboard flexible is always correct. Now we'll come here and then type, okay, okay, driver dot find element by dot xpath, right? Yeah. Now, like in this manner, we need to do it. Click, yeah. Now, dot click is very much important for in case of buttons. So, in case if I will click here, okay. Now, what is the starting point? Let us say Pittsburgh, right? Yeah. So, inspect text box, text box, copy full XPath. So, all right. Driver dot find element by dot xpath. So dot dot send keys, and we need to type Pittsburgh. All right. So let us come to code. Okay. Now Pittsburgh. Okay. Uh, comma keys dot return. Right. Okay. Now driver dot find element. Okay. Okay. Send keys dot return. Now let us run this code, that how much it will work. Let us see the success rate of the code here. Okay. Trenton. Okay. Oh, there's some error. Yeah, no such element in section. Okay, so let us do one thing. Let us time here, type it time dot slip 2 seconds. Okay, time dot slip time slip. Okay, so time dot slip should be 2 seconds. And okay, once you have it there, time dot slip 2 seconds, and then once again time dot slip of 2 seconds. Okay, now let's run the code. All right, all right. Okay, so it's not clicking there correctly. So let us go to the inspect element, and then again find out the button path. Okay, now copy the full X path and then come here. So driver dot. Okay, this one should be replaced by the new X path. Let us observe, is there any difference? I don't think so. But okay, no problem. No such element inception. Okay, exception. Now let us run this again. Trent on. Yeah, now it's working fine. Pittsburgh. Okay, yeah. See, uh, we can find. Okay, no problem. So now we here see now. If you look carefully, then we have got that how much miles we need to travel. You can also convert it into kilometers. Okay, no problem. Let us solve it into miles only. So this is not an image, as you can see. This is clearly a text. So let us click here, and then by default, as you can see, by car. Okay. Okay, rather let us first click on this one, this car option. Okay, so this car option, this one is in button. Yeah, this one, button. So this one should be for copy full XPath. So here, let us find. So driver dot find element by dot XPath by dot XPath. Okay, so yeah, so driver dot find element by XPath dot click, right, dot click. So basically this will click here, right? Okay, now after clicking it, let us wait it for up to 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds is enough. So this will get here the miles. So copy full XPath. So now let us name a variable, no, car car distance car distance distance car distance 1, right? Car distance 1 is equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath, right? So this one is now totally true for, okay, wait a minute, there's some problem, I think so. Yeah, now it's correct. So driver dot find element dot XPath. Now let us type here car car underscore distance dot one dot txt dot txt. Wait a minute. So now print car underscore distance 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 underscore one dot text, right? Okay. So this will print car dot element dot. Okay. So let us see that how much it's working. What's the success rate of the code? Now it's opening Google Maps. Okay, fine. How's there my internet speed? I think so that it's fine. Then why it's not working? Restart the code. Restarting the code. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Trent on. Trent on. Okay. Directions. Is there some error? No such element inception again. Why is it that like? Okay, so is the web page structure changing? Let us again copy it. Button. Okay. Copy full XPath. So copy full XPath. So after being searched for Trenton, we need to remove this one. And now let us again hit the code. So Trenton, again the same problem. Yeah. How we can resolve it first of all? How we can resolve it? Mm, just only that it's not able to catch the. Okay, let us see for how much it is searching. It should catch, then why it's not catching? Button copy XPath. Okay. Yeah. So there's some encountering some error. How we can resolve it? No such element in this case. Why is it so? Even though I given time dot slip of 2 seconds, let us increase it to 3 seconds this time. So run it. Yeah, now it's running. Okay, so there's a web page issue, no problem. So, alright, so is it working for 345 miles? Yeah, so it's not able to get the element. So for this case, for the car distance element, time dot slip 2 seconds. Alright. Okay. So we got our distance. Now for this case, let us type here your okay, so your distance by car is like this. Now the next thing is that once again create another variable car distance 2 is equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath. Okay, so by dot xpath. Okay, so let us determine the xpath. Okay, before this, let us first move to the walking. I am interested in walking only. Okay, so for this case, the walking element is this one. So this one is the button. Copy full xpath. So driver dot find element by dot xpath dot click. Okay, so driver dot find element dot xpath dot click. Driver dot find element by dot xpath dot click. Now let us find out car distance 2 is equal to driver dot find element my xpath. Okay, so let us determine it. So will it click here? Yeah, as you can see. Okay, let us provide the time dot slip is I think not provided. No, so time dot slip is not necessary for this case because it doesn't because it is not allowing it to load it. So like for this case, driver dot find element xpath dot click. Okay, this one is okay. Now let us define the variable. Okay, so once this walking part has been opened, we need to evaluate the new distance, this one. So class copy full xpath and then came here. All right, so after that, let us print okay, print car distance 2 dot text. Yeah, text. Now 2, because may the web page structure be changed, so let us apply time dot slip 2. So till here, okay, uh, your distance by car is okay. All right. Now for now like for this case, mm, okay, so we can do also one thing, that is car.txt. Okay, print int of print int of car distance 2.text. So what's our walking speed? Okay, let us say 1 miles per hour. So divided by, okay, 2 miles per hour. Okay, so divided by 2. So divided by 2. Okay, we can do one more thing is that we can extract this data also. Now we can extract this data also. Copy is full XPath. So remove all this part. We can directly do. As you can see that Google is already providing it. So print that your distance for working is okay. Yeah, distance is one of the factor. Okay, no problem. So let us define a variable var is equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath after opening. Okay, now this is the first thing var. Okay, and after the clicking at car, which one is that? Car distance one. Print that your car distance one. uh, okay, so let us go here. Okay, so for here, this part is very much important. Copy full XPath. Okay, so now as you can see here, mm, from Pittsburgh, button dot click. Mm, okay, okay, so there should be one more thing. var2 is equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath, right, like this. Now print. Okay, so as we have defined all the variables, so now let us print it. So print var dot txt. Now print var2 dot txt. Okay, so this time I'm fully sure, not fully sure, but yeah, there's some confidence that the code will work. Trent on. Okay, Pittsburgh walking. Okay, it has extracted. Okay, let us check it. Your distance is okay, 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 okay. So there was this last problem that was var2. What's the problem var2? State element different table exception that and that. Okay, is it name as var2 only now? Mm, send key Pittsburgh. Okay, so send key Pittsburgh. It will accept here. Okay, so what's the error in this case? Okay, okay, okay. Print your time taken to to, to travel. Okay, so your time taken to travel by car is time taken to travel by car is let us say like okay, so that should be var2.txt, right? So var2.txt. Now remove this var2 type. Now run the code. Hope that this will run now. Okay, 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 all right. Okay. Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, now let us check the code. Okay, now yes, we are finally on our destination. That your time taken to travel by car is this much, your distance by car is this much, your distance by walking is this. Okay, let us add here the last thing, that was your your time taken by to travel from Trenton, sorry, from Pittsburgh to Trenton is word of text here. Now it's fully okay. So now this is our final running of the code from Trenton. Okay, so from Pittsburgh to Trenton, New Jersey. Okay, the extraction of data has been done. Okay, okay. Check the code. Yes. So this is here final output. So thank you for saying this, and this is the way we can approach. We can make our approach and we can build the code, and in a very simple manner using Selenium. As you can see that this was a very basic one. So thank you all.